In this video, I'm about to show you how to scan a QR code with Microsoft Authenticator. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Next, tap on Verified IDs located in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Scan QR Code. If it doesn't work or asks for camera permission, go to your device's settings and scroll down to find General. Tap on it to access more options. Next, tap on iPhone Storage to check the installed apps and storage usage. After checking, go back and scroll down to find apps in your device settings. Now look at and tap on the Authenticator app from the list. Here, make sure the camera permission is enabled. Turn on the toggle for the camera option so that app can scan QR code. Once that's done, go back and reopen the Microsoft Authenticator app. Again, tap on Verified IDs in the bottom right corner. Finally, scan QR code and point your camera at the QR code. This will allow you to accept or request a credential successfully. You're all set. Now, you can easily scan QR code with the Microsoft Authenticator app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.